pretty... I'm honestly surprised that didn't hit me. I played against Monstro like 5 times the first day I got this game. And I was like, oh, I hate playing against Monstro. I played against him so much. But you know what, Monstro? I appreciate you. I love you a lot. You're a good boy. Rest in peace, Monstro. You'll be missed. Could the game give me, like, HP up? Don't swallow. Damn. Damn, not a bad room. Not a bad room. I know, Monstro's just like, I'm big and fat. I don't know why I watch these cutscenes. They're just so fucking weird. Alright, deal with the devil. We might, you know, we may be able to pull it. Oh god, I hate these fucking butterfly babies. Go away, go away, go away. Oh no! Deal with the devil! It could still happen, you know. The probability is not on our side anymore, but it's not completely lost. It's at 36. Or, you know, we could just not take the deal with the devil and try and get a deal with an angel. I've never done like a heavenly deal yet. Hello, welcome back. DBD's a bad game, so we're playing a different game. I don't have a key. What the fuck is this shit? Hey, can you stop hiding, please? Thanks. Isaac's fun. I've been enjoying it. Oh, I fucking hate these flies. I think what I'm gonna need, I think, higher damage. My damage is super low, so hopefully this game gives us higher damage. It's not bad. It's kind of interesting. You have Tech 2? I know. I've never had Tech 2. I've only had, like, Tech 1. No! Do any of these rocks look like they're... Nah, I think so. Hi, Strawberries! How are you? I haven't seen you in a while. We're playing Isaac tonight. Because Dead by Daylight's a bad game. You think I can make it? I'm too scared. I'm too scared. My health is so important. I hate this thing. Oh no, I don't want to be in here. I have 4 bombs. I don't really want to waste them. I don't have a key, so it's not really useful. Oh, I found the rock, though. Okay. Oh, we found a key, though. We didn't get a spirit heart, which is what I mostly wanted from that rock. Just shoot the TNT? Yeah. What the hell is this? I've never seen this place before. The Bible? Cool. The sun. I like the sun or justice. I'll take the sun. I like the sun a lot. Alright. If it's the turdlings, F in chat. I can't play against the turdlings. I'm really bad. Put the F in chat. I hate Dangle. I fucking hate this character so much. Forget I got the 360 going on, which is kind of nice. Dangle, you can suck my cock. Go away! Fringe Lord. Deal with the devil. Off. I'm so bad at this game. I could have hit him with that bomb. But I pushed the bomb away like a dork. I literally ran into him. Don't do it, Dangle. Just fucking die, dude. You know you want to. A piece of poo-poo in a pee-pee world. The 360 tiers are weird because I have to like actually use my analog stick and most of the time I don't. Band-aids? Wow. What? Why didn't it let me take the heart? Okay. Cringe. I think the caves have my favorite music so far. Very atmospheric. Alright, this is it. I hate these worm boys a lot. I don't like them. I think they're cringe. No, he's gonna come back to life. Die. The alt path music is so good. Yeah, but I haven't opened up the alt path yet because I still haven't beat Mom. Cause Mom, I keep forgetting to like look for secret rooms. Wow. Could you believe like a Binding of Isaac player not looking for a secret room when she has 5 bombs? Could it be me? Hey, don't. What even hit me? I wasn't paying attention. We got a lot of red hearts, but we don't have a lot of... I haven't found, like, any non-red heart yet. Just cringe and makes me sad. This is a bad game. I don't know what that does. I'm too lazy to look it up. No, I hate these guys so much. I hate these guys so much. I hate these guys so much. Now you guys get to see how bad I am at this game. Give me a heart, because I knew I'd be really... Stop sliding! Holy cow, my man. Do any of these rocks look odd color? You just bought the game? Me too. I'm not very good at it. But I don't really want to play Dead by Daylight because it's just making me angry. I bet we could find a secret room. No! Why did you get close to me? At the second you were gonna die. Bye, C-Rab. Are you here? I don't know what this does. What does a re-roll machine do? Oh, but there's no item in the room, so it's like worthless? Should I just bomb it then? That would have been kind of cool. Yeah, you were right. It wasn't worth it to bomb. No, I don't like these things. I think I've done everything. Okay. I did not take damage against... That's so mean. Ah, it almost hit me. That would have been cringe. No! God damn it, fatty! Stop fucking pooping out the turds. They're cute. I don't like killing them. Yeah, I need my damage to be higher. My damage feels really low right now. Wait, this boss fight is taking a long time. You know, we got 11% for a deal of the devil. I think we can pull it off. I think we're gamers. Hey, look. This game sucks. Pog. Okay, now we're like kind of pogging. Holy shit. What does the Bible do? I have it. I haven't used it yet. Oh, we have 2 keys. I've never been in it. I don't... I'll keep this. Gives you fight for the room and insta-kills mom. Oh, is this the run where I finally win the game? That'd be kind of cool. Just because I have the Bible. These guys have so much health, I hate them. I don't like the amnesia pill. Does that ever wear off? It's really bothering me. I can't see my map. I could. I do kind of have the health to do one of those. I hate rooms with lots of bugs in them. I'm not very good against bugs. God damn it. Have I found my item room yet? I don't think I found my item room yet. My memory is shot now that I can't look at my map. I like the sounds these guys make, like the... kind of cute. Goodbye, fly. Ooh. Aw, shit. I hate rooms like this. These are, like, actually some of my least favorite rooms. I lose a lot of health in them. I don't want to, because I wanted to deal with the devil. All we gotta do is stay alive till we get to mom. Like, if we can get to mom and we can get the insta-kill, that'd be kind of pog. How are you not dead yet? Dude, freaking die. I've lost all my good hearts. Safety cap? I didn't see that in time. You make a compelling argument that I should have flown over the pits. It's another one of these rooms. Okay, okay, we're pogging though. It's not bad at all, if I may say so. Okay, that's the boss room. Have I been everywhere? No. Okay, cool. What is this? Gimpy. He's like a child. What? I can't say that. Well, this game sucks. I'll donate to the shop. Gimpy is a Pog item? Well, it's a good thing I'm a Pog streamer. Let's see who it's gonna be against. Are we in Caves 1 or Caves 2? Who the- I don't know what this guy does. We lost the deal with the devil. I should probably use my bombs. Look how fast that would... Look at the spiders. Hey! We got the deal with the devil, though. Let's go. I don't know what this does. The pact damage plus tears up? Okay. And we got some demon heart. Okay, okay. This may be a good run. Hold on, I'm gonna pause though. I wanna look up what Gimpy does and what the pact does really fast. They're probably change. So Gimpy. Oh, allows Isaac to drop a soul heart when he takes damage, and this item also gives enemies a chance to drop a red heart on death. That's pretty good. And then what else did we get? The pack? Honestly, can't believe we got a fucking deal with the devil on an 11% chance. I'm just built different. Pact. Pact is a passive item. Grants 2 soul heart, or it grants 2 black hearts, ups damage, ups tears. Okay. Not bad. I mean, upping damage and tears is always good. Oh. There you go. We're in depth 1. Alright, we can do it. We can do it. Oh yeah, let's see, the damage we're doing now is really good. It's a lot better than what... We stop fighting? I don't like these guys. They scare me. They scare me. Or, no, we should use the key down here. Summons bombs. So the Bible auto kills mom, right? But the Book of Belial is a damage up. So which would be better, I guess? It would feel kind of cheap to like one-hit mom, but also it ups me getting a deal with the devil. No, I hate these fuckers. I hate these fuckers so much. He'll throw a bone at me. I don't want him to. Book of Belial is better. Where's the tinted rock? Which one's tinted? Is it in this room or the other room? It has the X on it. This one? Bottom right? Oh my god, you're literally the best fucking person in the whole goddamn universe. No, I hate these guys. I hate the fucking worms. Go away, please. What's this? What the fuck is this? Do I go down? Oh, Pug! Holy shit! Yeah, dude, we do go down. I just skipped a boss fight. I mean, I guess I lose the item I could have gotten. Fuck you, cunt. Scary! I don't like. Can you die? Can you die? Thanks. What's this? Equality? Okay. Equality is a trinket added in the Binding of Isaac. Turn pickups into doubled version while Isaac's coins, bombs, and keys are equal in number. Versus mom's locket, Isaac? Grants half a red heart each time a key is used to unlock a door. Turns half red heart pickups into full hearts. Oh, that's good too. Honestly though, let's stick with, or let's go with equality. Equality is kind of cool. Okay, so we know the item room is over here. But we have to find a key. No, 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 no. This game sucks! That was so scary. I felt my heart drop. Holy shit. Oh no, 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 no. Parrot. Death? What do I have? I have sun. I know sun, like, heals you, which would kind of be nice to have against mom, because mom kind of kills me. But if we look at death, arrow card, Isaac, what do we get? Damages all enemies in the room significantly. Okay, we'll take death. I think we're gonna try use death on the next room and grab the sun. Oh, okay, that's a good idea. That was pretty smart, Crip. I don't know how I didn't take damage there, if I'm being completely honest. I feel like I should have. Fuck off. I hate these fucking worms. They're cucks. I still haven't found a key. Ooh, I don't like this at all. But we did find the boss. Well, okay, we lost a heart, but gained a heart, so not bad. Do I take the pill? I take the pill. I can see forever. What does that mean? Isaac Gamer Extraordinaire. I almost ran into the spikes because I was reading chat. I think I would have cried. Oh, does that allow me to see? How do you make the map bigger? Is there a way to make the map bigger? Oh, there's a secret room. 2 keys! Holy shit, dude. Okay, okay, we're literally gamering right now. We're literally about to gamer so fucking hard, it's not even funny. Okay, so... I don't know why I opened this. I don't have any money. I guess I just give my money to the donation machine to upgrade the shop. I gotta get back to the item room, and then I gotta pick up the item. Hold select for map. Ah. That pill was really good. That pill just kind of like made everything really easy. What does the mushroom do? Oh, shit, dude! We're about to have a fucking pogged ass run. Alright, so we're gonna book a Belial against mom. And hopefully, like, that'll win it. But I have been known to throw games. Oh, I wasn't paying attention to the fucking foot. Oh shit!
His mother, fueled with the desire to serve her.
The color command does work here. Literally, we're pogging. Holy shit!
I love you above all else. Isaac's mother repeated.
What a good fucking run. Holy shit. Kristen was right. Spicy Rap was right. Book of Belial was fucking pog. Holy shit.
But just as he accepted his fate, God intervened, sending an angel down from above to stop his mother's hand. And just like that, it was